Good morning, fellow Vlog Boys followers. It snowed. And on this lovely day, we're gonna go see it. Because, you know, we can. And luckily I have a porch. Well, I don't have, but we have a porch where you can see snow. So, yes, we got dumped on tonight by Mother Nature. Thank you so much. Jeez. Anyway, but so yeah, girlfriend just uploaded a vlog. She is I think she's working today. She went to church this morning. She did. We talked yesterday, and we do have big news. I guess I can say it to you, but I mean, Maddie also said it in her vlog, so I mean, you could check out that if you don't want to hear me say it. But good news is my girlfriend is coming to see me on Thursday this week, which is the 19th. So I get to go pick her up at Denver, so you guys are going to see a couple vlogs again. And yeah, I'm freaking excited. I haven't seen her in a while, and I miss her, and you know, all this other stuff. So yeah, awesome. So now I think I can take you back inside, unless you guys want to stay out here and watch the snow some more. I mean, it is very beautiful, but it's also very cold, so we're not going to do that. We're going inside. Oh, Brindle. Dara?
Huh?
Hello. This is your first time on the vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
So my mom and you are in here doing something. We're about to find out.
Oh, can I?
And if he would have known this when he met me, he would have been like, I'm out of here.
Can I help?
Well, hello guys.
Can I help me?
I know you are great at helping.
Yeah, he would have said, wait, what?
Can I do it?
They're totally ignoring me right now.
What?
Hello.
Hello?
You're on the vlog.
Oh, great.
We're a little busy.
What you guys doing?
Putting together a workbench.
Oh, I
Nice.
Apparently, Jera needs to help.
Yes, she
Jared's
does.
a great helper. I heard her say.
Thank you.
So you hand that to Mama when Mama says,
Yep.
hey,
when
I need
say,
a...
hey, I need another one.
Yep. Ready?
This is
Not
pretty
ready
much what
yet.
we do on a snow day.
two.
Keeps ourselves busy inside.
I very do got
You
to.
very do got to, I'm sure.
You-
Okay,
You do?
let me have a very do got to. I need one.
I got some.
So mom, how's your day going today?
Oh, peachy keen.
Give Mama a nut.
Yeah.
Great.
Looks like
So
it's
love
coming
building
along.
things.
just the nut. Mama just needs
It's
the
coming
nut right
along.
now.
I
Yes,
see.
it is.
So give Mama the
Thank
nut.
you,
There
sweetheart.
you go. Good job.
I
Yes.
love this.
It is coming along.
Yep. And then she'll need that and a nut too in just a
Okay.
second.
I got.
She needs
Dara, what do you got?
No.
Okay, now I need
And then we have the brindle. You're the star of the show. Hello? Hi, Beanie, 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 Beanie. How are you doing? Clap, 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 clap. Yeah, guys, so basically, we're just gonna chill today. Hunter's getting off work in a while, which is my sister, and we're gonna play some board games, so I'll probably vlog that, but for now, I will say so long. Peace! Thanks for watching, guys, you are the best. So now we're gonna have lunch.
Where's your cup?
That looks nummy.
On the table.
These are supposed to be really good. Pringles Loud Spicy Queso. Jared, what are you having? I say this is a well done lunch, Mom.
Thank you.
Well done.
Snowed in lunch.
Slowed it.
Even though we didn't get snowed
We even
in.
got sushi.
preparing for the worst.
Expecting
Got nothing.
Yeah, got much of nothing.
Yeah. Okay, Brindle. Jeez.
Alright, so we're gonna eat this and yeah, peace. Mom say peace.
Peace.
Jim, peace. Jerry say peace.
Say peace. You
Jerry
want
say peace.
Jared, say peace to Kylan.
Peace.
Peace. Hey guys, so this is actually continuing to the second day. Nothing really exciting, kind of just been chilling. It's still snowy out. Well, not really, it's just really icy, but so can't really do too much, and it's freezing. It's like 17 degrees or something like that outside, so it's pretty cold. Yesterday we basically we just played some board games. Well, no, we did not. We were going to, but everything got busy. I just ended up watching football. So yeah, I can't believe that Dallas lost. I'm happy because I didn't want Dallas to go. Anyways, so let's watch football. Jeez, stop all more on my keyboard. Not cool. Brene? See, now she's silent. How are you doing? Okay. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. Girlfriend comes in about 3 days, so very excited for that, and we'll have some couple vlogs for you guys. I know you're waiting for those, so I'm excited. Hopefully you're excited. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much basically it. I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Just you know, party. Just kidding. No, I'm probably gonna play some board games later. Just chill on my computer for, you know, a bit, whatever. It's doing some updates right now, but when it's done, you guarantee I'm gonna be playing around. Anyway, thank you guys again. Please subscribe. We keep getting more subscribers and we love it. I appreciate it. All of our YouTubers appreciate it. Go follow us on the Twitter. Everything for, you know, Snapchats, Instagrams are all in the description below. So if you need to get anything, it's like our Snapchats, Instagrams, the Twitters, and I also have a blog now, guys. A blog, not a vlog, a blog. I have a blog, and that link was just now added to every video description. So if you're watching any video, you can access it from any video. You're welcome from your boy. But basically just you can answer any questions on there. There is just a blog talking about updates, you know, anything new. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So thanks again for watching. We love you. Hit the subscribe, like, most definitely, and you know, comment, whatever. And we appreciate you for watching. Thanks. Love you. Bye.